Today, we're covering part 4 of our answer to a question we get asked all the time. How do I cook and eat healthier? In our previous episode, I offered up my most important healthy cooking tip. Improve your vegetable prep skills. If you can chop those veggies like a pro, it's going to be much easier to convince yourself to cook up more vegetables, which we know are essential for a healthy life. But clearly, we need to do more than just prep them. So today, our answer to healthier cooking is focused on learning and mastering just a few vegetable cooking formulas. So first, what do I mean by a cooking formula? I used this phrase a lot when I was giving cooking lessons because I wanted to teach people to go beyond recipes. Recipes force us into a specific set of steps and we feel like we need to follow them to a T. Formulas, on the other hand, provide us with a framework and help us learn techniques so that we have the tools to make a variety of dishes. If you know cooking formulas, they'll let you improv in the kitchen and feel like you're less beholden to a recipe. Some of my favorite easy vegetable cooking formulas that will help you get vegetables on the table every single night are sautéing, steaming, roasting, boiling, microwaving, salads, pureeing into soups, and turning into veggie noodles. If you learn these cooking formulas, you're going to be able to cook up just about any vegetable. To help you, we created this awesome graphic that has a list of almost every vegetable that will probably ever enter your kitchen and show you our recommended cooking formula for each one. In addition, it also tells you when it's in season. Blue is for winter, green is for spring, red is for summer, and orange is for fall. Next time you return home from the market or get a CSA, that's Community Supported Agriculture, box delivered to you, you can just turn to this graphic to figure out the best ways to cook it up. Combined with our all-in-one produce prep guide, including veggies in your meals should be much easier and hopefully a lot more fun. If you're not sure of some of these cooking formulas, we've also created some short videos that introduce you to them. If you're a subscriber to our newsletter or meal plan service, you'll get even more information about these formulas to download and print. So get on the list if you're not already. For now, get excited about all the veggie cooking possibilities this new infographic offers, and let us know which cooking formula you'll be using the most in the comments below. If you're watching this on YouTube or Vimeo, there are links below in the description box that'll take you back to all this information on our website. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you think we're creating really great cooking information, please help us spread the word by sharing it on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. If you want even more great cooking info to help you live smarter in the kitchen, get over to cooksmarts.com and sign up for our weekly newsletter. At CookSmarts, we believe that everyone can become a kitchen hero. We can't wait to help you get cooking because a healthier and happier life is waiting for you in the kitchen. It tells you, I'll only take 30 minutes to prepare, I'm easy. And 1 hour later, you still have a pile of unprepped veggies, but find yourself standing in a disaster zone of a kitchen. Plus, it's knowledge that you can pass on to those around you so that they can live healthier too. Now, in our last part, I decided you've had enough of me. To close out our health series, I asked a bunch of CookSmarts friends and health, what is the one tip?
It freezes really well, so you can make a large batch and then divide it up into the standard serving sizes for your family. So if you're a family of 4, divide it by servings of 4, and then store and freeze. Plus,